carrots are not natural foods. Does that mean they're lab-made like the Chinese artificial eggs? Hold up, let me share a colorful truth that might surprise you. First up, orange carrots are 100% natural. But the thing is, they're actually the newest members of the carrot family. Before the 1500s, people used to eat purple, white, yellow, and even black carrots. Orange carrots showed up naturally when farmers noticed some yellow carrots developing a sweet orange twist. This happened because of something called beta-carotene, which made them naturally sweeter. Dutch farmers loved these sweet orange varieties so much, they started growing more and more of them. So, no, orange carrots aren't some weird lab experiment. They're just nature's own masterpiece that became popular because they tasted better. Did you know carrots give you superhuman night vision? Well, don't rush to buy tons of carrots. Hold a second, this is not a true fact. Turns out that's actually a World War II secret propaganda story, and it fooled an entire nation. But why? During World War II, British pilots were mysteriously shooting down German bombers in the dark. Their secret? It wasn't carrots. It was radar technology. But to keep this breakthrough hidden, the British Air Ministry came up with a brilliant cover story. They told everyone their pilots could see in the dark because they ate tons of carrots. They even created a character called Dr. Carrot and got Disney to draw carrot cartoons. The best part? People totally bought it and started eating more carrots to help them see during blackouts. By the late 20th century, scientists revealed the truth. While carrots do contain vitamin A that's good for your eyes, they won't give you superhero night vision powers. Just imagine how they can mislead you with made-up knowledge. Ever seen a square watermelon? These cube-shaped watermelons from Japan might look perfect for saving fridge space. But here's the shocking truth. They're actually $100 luxury decorative items. They're not even meant for eating. These cubic cuties were created in the late 1970s by a Japanese graphic designer named Tomoyuki Ono. These geometric fruits are grown in special square boxes and harvested before they're fully ripe, making them less tasty than regular watermelons. And get this, only 200 to 400 are produced annually in Zensuji, Japan, which holds an exclusive patent on their production. So, while everyone thinks they're for saving space in tiny Japanese fridges, they're actually more like fruit-shaped art pieces for luxury gifts and displays. Do you know if you heat 2 grapes close enough in a microwave, it might explode? At least this is what the internet tells you. But the truth is, they don't actually explode. They create something way cooler. Plasma. Yes, the same super hot glowing stuff that makes up the sun. Interesting, right? Well, the science is, microwaves get trapped inside the grapes because of their perfect size and water content. When 2 grapes are placed within 3 millimeters of each other, they create powerful electromagnetic hotspots. These hotspots get so intense, they strip electrons from the air, creating a bright flash of plasma. But wait, don't try this at home. This neat physics trick can seriously damage your microwave or cause fires. Even scientists have destroyed multiple microwaves just studying this effect. Have you heard that coconut water can replace blood plasma in emergencies? This viral claim has been spreading everywhere. But wait, before you start stockpiling coconuts for medical emergencies, let me tell you the truth. While coconut water does contain electrolytes and minerals similar to blood plasma, it's not a safe substitute for blood plasma, even in emergencies. So, how did the myth get started? This myth started during World War II, when medical supplies like saline were scarce. While there were some isolated cases of emergency rehydration, modern medical professionals strongly warn against this practice. Because coconut water's composition is actually quite different from human plasma. It has dangerous levels of potassium and isn't sterile, meaning it could cause serious infections and electrolyte imbalances if injected directly into your bloodstream. So, while coconut water is great for drinking and staying hydrated, please leave blood treatments to medical professionals with proper equipment. Did you know tomatoes have more genes than humans? Wait, what? Does this mean tomatoes are more complex than us? Hold on, let me reveal the mind-blowing truth about this viral fact. It's true that tomatoes have about 35,000 genes, while we have around 20,000. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the plot twist. Having more genes doesn't mean being more complex. It's like comparing a library size to how advanced its organizing system is. Humans might have fewer genes, but we have something way cooler. Sophisticated gene regulation. Think of it like having fewer books but being better at using them. Plus, many of tomatoes' genes are just copies, like having multiple copies of the same book. So, while tomatoes win the gene counting contest, humans take the prize for genetic sophistication. It's not about how many genes you have, it's about how you use them. Ever heard of a tree that grows 7 different fruits at once? Sounds like something from a fantasy game, right? Well, it's not. There are special trees called fruit salad trees that can grow 3 to 6 different fruits on a single tree. So how do they work? These trees are created through grafting, where different fruit branches are attached to a single tree trunk. But here's the catch. They can only grow fruits from the same family. For example, you can have a citrus tree with oranges, mandarins, lemons, and limes, or a stone fruit tree with peaches, plums, nectarines, and apricots. While some claim these trees can grow up to 8 different fruits, in reality, most successful trees end up with just 2 to 3 types over time. So while these trees are totally real and amazing, they're more like nature's mix and match, rather than magical 7-fruit wonders.